guys, welcome back. In this video, we're gonna be seeing who's gonna win the $500 gift card through FCP Euro. Now I have all top 3 within the spin the wheel right here. So we're gonna let that spin, choose the name, and obviously that's gonna be the winner. Now, if you do win, please message me on YouTube so then I can get you synced up with FCP Euro so that way you can get the gift card through your email. Well, without further ado, let's go ahead and spin this. Oh, we got to spin again. Crossroads Rebuild. Congratulations. I know you have another project that you're working on right now that's pretty sweet. And of course you were already buying the parts through FCP Euro. Now you have a little bit more cash to continue on with your BMW project. Well, appreciate everyone participating in this contest and Crossroads Rebuild. Be sure to message me here on YouTube and get y'all squared away. Take care, guys. See ya.